Well, if we look at the biblical example that we're going to look at today, you would find out that there was probably two groups of people that did not go together. And that would be the Jews and the Gentiles. In Scripture, you really only divide into two groups of all humanity. You've got the Jews and everybody else. And now here was the problem going on in Ephesus. You had people from a Jewish background who are being saved and people from a Gentile background who are being saved, and now they're both in the same church. And it was creating problems. When you look at our church, we found out just a few weeks ago when we were talking about how we do ministry in California and how that the world is coming to our state, and that even in this congregation, when I ask you about your background, either where you from or your parents were from, we had people from all over the world. This congregation is represented like the UN. We had Brazil, and we had Arabs, and we had Koreans and Chinese and all the various brands of Hispanics. I mean, there's multiple of those, and they were from all over the world. I was a Euro-Texan, and so even within this congregation, we had these multiple backgrounds all coming with one commonality. Even in the middle of all of our things that we're not together, one thing is common with us. And what is that? Jesus. That's the one thing that's common.